In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work efficiently with images and the tables in Google Docs. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate images into a table format. This can be particularly useful for creating visually appealing documents such as reports or projects. To kick things off, open up your Google Docs. Start by clicking on the Insert menu located at the top of the page. Here, you'll be presented with various options. We are interested in the table option, so hover over that and then click on the 2x2 table layout. This action will place a 2x2 grid into your document, giving us a tidy structure to work with. Next, it's time to select the image you intend to use. You may have images saved on your device or perhaps in your Google Drive. Select the image that complements your document, keeping in mind the overall theme or message you wish to convey. Once selected, click on the image to see a contextual menu of options. With your image ready to go, let's proceed by copying it. This can be done by right-clicking on the image and selecting Copy from the drop-down. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac, depending on your preference. This step essentially duplicates your image, ready for pasting multiple times if necessary. Moving forward, click on one of the cells in the 2x2 table to highlight it. You'll notice a blue outline indicating that this is the active cell, ready for your image to be inserted. Now, it's time to paste the image into the highlighted cell. Utilize the right-click function once more, but this time choose Paste from the drop-down list. Alternatively, you can paste the image by using Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Your image should now appear neatly within the confines of the table cell. The next step is to execute this pasting process for the remaining quadrants of your table. Move to each empty cell and perform the paste function again. This ensures that your document maintains a consistent and professional appearance, with each quadrant housing an identical image. And with that, you are done. Congratulations on seamlessly integrating your image into a Google Docs table. Remember, the process might seem intricate at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. This method is a fantastic way to enhance the visual impact of your documents, making them more engaging and informative to your readers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.